So the Chhath Puja, remember, is toward the second half of the year. September, October is usually when the Chhath Puja is celebrated. So they have time. And possibly not enough though, considering how dirty the Yamuna has been. But can the BJP fulfill one of the biggest promises to at least clean the Yamuna enough that it looks like the pride of Delhi? That the Yamuna River is the river of national capital and of course flowing through other states as well. But something that Delhi has been embarrassed about, ashamed about, can now become a reality of a clean river. Shreya Chatterjee joins me for the latest on that. Shreya, so I bring you in. I noticed both Manjinder Singh Sirsa and here Pankaj Singh both making the same point. So it looks like they're very clear that Yamuna River cleaning has to be on top of their agenda.
Well, absolutely. And that's exactly the messaging, because as is the information flowing in that all the ministers along with the chief minister after the swearing in and the cabinet meeting.
With me, Shreya, Parvesh Verma, minister in the government now speaking. Let's listen in.
Mr. Jitendra Bahadur Singh. SDIG हमने वायदे किए सबको पूरा कर, ये हमारे सामने चुनौती है और हम सारे वायदों को पूरा करें।
प्रवेश जी, आप जो है जायंट किलर के तौर पे माने जा रहे थे अरविंद केजरीवाल को हराने के बाद, तो अभी खुश हैं?
All right, Parvesh Verma, slightly cautious this time with words, but remember he was all smiling. He did put up a brave front. He was right there next to Rekha Gupta when the bouquet was offered to her, when her name was announced. But it could have come a slight jolt as well, because there were cadre themselves saying, "Hamare Mukhyamantri aa gaye," even before the name was announced, referring to Parvesh Verma. But that's how it is. That's how the party high command decides. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh meeting the leaders there. This is, remember, the NDA meeting is expected to begin. Other senior leaders also one by one coming in. Let's see if Rajnath Singh says a word or two. All right, not so much. All right, so that's the NDA meeting that's also beginning. Chief ministers of different states, 20 states in total with the BJP right now, barring about 3. Most of them have come. CMs and deputy CMs as well have spoken, and that they will be meeting in a short while possibly to have a meeting. So that's the image on your screen. Yes, Shreya, apologies for intervening there, because reactions that are coming in, like we were saying, that they'll have to have set agendas. It was at some level an ugly election discourse, but eventually it's back to work, and work and welfare is what people of Delhi want.
Well, Pooja, ugly, yes, but though on the lines of welfare development, because we did see the communal discourse at least go away from the 2020 elections if we compare it with the 2025 one. And I don't think that people would mind any kind of development coming on the front of welfare, and especially when we talk about the Yamuna, the conditions we all have reported. You and I, we've seen every Chhath, those froth that has seen in the Yamuna River. So this is on the nice lines that we will be seeing a revival on the Yamuna, a dedicated time-bound revival is what we are looking at, and that's the messaging that will be set from today itself. Once the cabinet briefing happens, the cabinet meeting, happens, there will be the oath, the chief ministers and the ministers going to the Yamuna Ghat. So yeah, the messaging is clear, because Yamuna doesn't just attract the welfare development, it's also the Purvanchali settlement that the BJP would also like to, completely consolidate, because they have won this election, but they will want to bank on that for some more elections that are slated to come.
All right. So, my dream would be, and because I've been a Delhi voter, like London has the Thames River, can we also with pride say that we have the Yamuna River, which now became literally as called as the Nala of Delhi? And let's hope that that can change, but that's only a hope right now. It hasn't really happened, and we leave it to this new team of Delhi government. 6 ministers will be led by Rekha Gupta. First-time MLA, has been a councillor, doesn't have a lot of political experience when it comes to Delhi government, but nevertheless, she has clearly the support of the High Command. And when it's a double-engine Sarkar, can they work together to ensure that there will be a facelift that people of Delhi have wanted for their city for a very long time? Shreya, stay on with me. We'll go across to and listen to all of these leaders and the reactions that have come in and the specifications about each one of them. Let's listen in to some of the reactions.
उससे जो भी डिसीजन सही आएगा वो बेस्ट आउटपुट ही होगा।
मेरा मीरा गुप्ता।
अच्छा मीरा जी, ये बताइए, अभी तक घर संभाला जाता था, अब दिल्ली संभाली जाएगी।
नहीं, वो घर भी संभालती थी, समाज भी संभालती थी, पूरा शालीमार संभाला 2 साल से शाली। और बस अब तो आदत है उसकी, उसका काम करने की आदत है, मेहनत का उसका वो है, बस वो संभालेगी।
बहू आपकी मुख्यमंत्री बन रही है, क्या बन चुकी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसको लेके?
बस
कितनी खुशी है?
Appears to be the family members, and I believe that was the son of Rekha Gupta. She has a son and a daughter, and teenagers, and therefore perhaps they would also be watching cautiously, carefully how their mother, who's been a councillor, but now goes on to become the chief minister. It's a massive opportunity that's fallen on his shoulders, and perhaps now with the support of the rest of the team members, 6 of them, plus of course the High Command, that will be now the big test.